just sign together. We'll figure out what date you're showing up, and then you show up. All right, so what's the first rule when it comes to factoring using the area model? First term by last term. So I'm going to multiply 1x squared times a negative 14. And I'm going to get a negative 14x squared. So that means we have to find factor pairs for 14. So that means you're going to use your blue sheet to find the factor pairs of 1 and 14 and 2 and 7. So what I have to do is I have to add two numbers together to get the middle, which is 5x. And then I have to multiply two numbers together to get negative 14x squared. We do this by using the factor pairs. Ooh, the factor pairs right here. Okay, so if I use 1 and 14 for adding, I have to use them for the multiplication too. Okay, so does anybody have an answer that they got, Mr. Welcome? Okay, so if I add them, I'm going to add 2 and 7. So they chose 2 and 7. 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay, so I have to change one of these to a negative. So I have to change the 2 to a negative. Okay, so 7 plus a negative 2 is 5. So that means, okay, so 7x's plus a negative 2x's is 5x's. I agree. Now we have to take the same 2 and multiply them together and see if it satisfies this last part. So 7x to the first times a negative 2x to the first. 7 times 2 is 14. A positive times a negative is a negative. X to the first times x to the first is x to the second. So boom. You know that that satisfies both. So what we're going to do is, you just found your middle. They gave you the first and the last, and you just found the middle. 7x to the first and minus 2x to the first. And so now we have to factor out so we can find our we'll find our intercepts. So I have to factor what is in both 1x to the second and 7x to the first. What's in both of these? X. And now let's do both of these. What's in both negative 2x to the first and a negative 14? Okay, so 2, but you see how it's a negative, so we're going to write a negative 2o. And now we have to do this side. So what is in both this term and this term? X. And lastly, but surely not least, 7. Okay, so that means you just have your two answers now. X minus 2 is one of your answers. And the other one is x plus 7. They're in the back if you need one. I have mechanical ones if you need one too. So why do I have the equal 0 there? 0. Yeah, there's pencils right there. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to use the zero product property today. All right, so lastly, what I want you to do is, did you write everything that you saw? Write everything that you saw? Let's do the last step, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to take these last two binomials and we're going to, is anybody still writing in here? Okay, let's go ahead and do this. X minus 2 and x plus 7, we're going to set it equal to 0, and this is the last step of what you're actually going to do this today in the video you're going to watch. So we're going to solve literally to find our intercepts. So I have to solve using my inverse operations. So how do I get this negative 2 to the other side? So add 2 to both sides. What I do to one side, I do to the other. The 2's get eliminated. I'm left with x is equal to 2. And then how do I get this 7? To positive 7, so I have to subtract it from both sides. When I do, I get x equal to a negative 7. So I have 2 ordered pairs here. I have negative 7, 0, and 2, 0. And these are my x-intercepts, and that's why we are factoring, to find x-intercepts. So write that out. When you get done writing that out, you should have your computer turned on. You should go to vPortal and Canvas. You should have headphones. You're on page 128. If you don't have a computer, they're in the back. If you don't have headphones, they're over there. We are all going to watch topic 3 as a refresher. Is there anybody who didn't get an opportunity to get their notebook organized with me? Ms. Gonzalez-Tecler. Okay, so I'll get your notebook situated then. Mr. White, did you get your notebook situated? Okay, I'll take care of it in 1 second. Okay, so this is what we're doing for the day. You're going to go to Canvas. All right, we already did the bell ringer. You're going to watch Section 5, Topic 3 in Canvas. And then there's a check for understanding that you're going to do. It's all in Canvas. Yes, ma'am. Is there anybody that doesn't understand what I expect of you this period? At home, is there anybody that doesn't understand what I expect of you this period? Can you please tell me that you understand the expectations that I have of you during this class? We're going to watch Topic 3 in Section 5. All you have to do is go to Canvas, and it's all there on the board right here. One second, ma'am. So I'm going to go to Modules. I'm going to go to today's date, which is the 10th. Oof. Oof. So this is the video you're going to watch, and then after the video, you're going to click this check for understanding to do it. So all you have to do is stay into Canvas. Please tell me that you understand my expectations of you at home, please. Yes, ma'am.
I remember you gave me one, and then it went missing, and then you gave me another one, and now it's gone.
Okay, I'll take care of you. Let me just get your book. Once you get the video started. So you should be writing in your Algebra Nation book. Every single word that they write, you write. Thank you, Najee. Thank you, Trent. I appreciate you very much. Question? Just keep this one on you.
Like in my bag.
Yeah. I know it's not you. So you're gonna go today's date, modules, today's date, it's the 10th. Okay? Make sure you're writing in your Algebra Nation book. It's in Canvas. Watch your eyes, please. There's headphones over here to the left. Come on back and I'll get you the. Make sure you're writing. It's in page 128. I got your note. Just come here. Say it again, Mr. Weiss. So then I need to change it. Okay, I'm sorry, it's on 129. Oh, okay. Just start on 128 for me. Bathroom. Make sure you sign out against the wall before you. Yeah. 10, 20. There you go. Appreciate you. Let me take roll. Canvas. Page 128 for me. Do you have a book? So I haven't given you a book already?
I have one book.
So like, am I gonna keep giving you one? You can't leave the classroom
I
then.
only have one. I didn't get a book yesterday. I took someone's.
Oh, he took mine.
Sorry.
I didn't know there was a book.
It's okay. Let me get you a book, Carlos. Stay in class, please. Please write everything that they say. It's 1, 11, 10. What? I can't hear.
I've never gotten a book. I'll put that photo. This man. Okay? You guys gotta listen. I don't mean to sound like an old man, but I literally have to listen to them at home, and it's like this white noise. So you guys have to speak up because I really only have one ear. So like
Where's the page?
128. Cardio, way to work. Oh, and one last thing. So this circled little bit right here is what you should be writing in your agenda. So the agenda that you were given, unless it's day 3, is it week 2, day 7, or if it's day 3, the agenda needs to be filled out, and this is what you're gonna fill out. So you watch the video on Canvas, section 5, topic 3, in your folder, which I'm setting yours up right now. And yours, Mr. White. I'm setting your folder right now.
Howdy, y'all. Thank you for working so hard. I promise it's gonna work. It's gonna pay off. Hard work always pays off. Yeah, no work, no, you don't get credit unless you show work. All work always needs to be shown. Always. No work, no credit. True. Please stand back in front. Hello.
Negative odds.
It's not true. Oh, okay, so they want to, in terms of like a number line, so what, if I'm going from left to right, which one comes first? That's what I think she's talking about. Proud of y'all, proud of y'all. No. Assignment. Yeah. Okay, we get a note. Make sure you sign out against the door, okay? So when you come in, like today is day 3. Cool beans. Now with factoring, there is, why did I put that all the way there? Okay, so this is everything for this section. That blue is like a cheat sheet. So this is what you're gonna use the most for factoring. 'Cause these are the pairs that you're looking for. You know, have to find like the numbers when you, so you can use that as a reference. Student notes, so whatever you get a student note will go in here, assignments go in here, and then your summative go in the back. Cool. Use the X method that you just like show me that method that they. Make sure that when you get done with your notes at home that you send me a picture of your notes. If you don't have the Algebranation book, you can still come grab one. I don't want to see notes without the Algebranation book, to be completely honest, because the organization that it will allow you to have. So if you don't have one yet, I would come and grab one as soon as possible because those are super important. Nigel, do you have an Algebranation book? Trent, do you have an Algebranation book?
What did you say?
Do you have an Algebranation book?
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you're writing in that for me when you're submitting your assignments today. Trent, what about you?
An Algebranation book?
Yeah.
Is that just like a notebook for algebra?
No, it's a book that goes along with the videos that you watch in class.
Can I find it online?
I would because you can't print, so I'd much rather have you have the book. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give one up front, and you'll just have to come and pick one up.
All right.
It'll be up there by lunch. Sorry, I would write every little thing that you see. you sign back in for me? Hold on. What time is it? 11:40. Make sure you sign it against the wall. What am I saying? I'm extremely proud of your hard work. 11:55, you guys have 8 more minutes. I will be doing a notebook summative grade very soon. So I would hope that your folders are in order. Bless you. Maybe folder. Maybe folder. Okay. Oh, my fault. I'll take it. So you have about 5 minutes left. If you could start wrapping it up, please turn your computers off. Make sure you get your check for understanding done. Tomorrow's Veterans Day, so hope you enjoy your day off. Everybody at home, proud of your hard work. I look forward to seeing your work sent to the classroom phone number, okay? Did I do that wrong? Yes, I didn't give you the right number. There you go. So we're done for the day. I hope you have an amazing afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow.